Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to decorate a blown out egg from Muffin Chicken. In the fall of 2021, I was appointed as an online teacher and was at home. And because of a test question where a student answered that cows give eggs, I decided to order some chickens so that they could experience firsthand this aspect of life. And this egg is from Muffin Chicken. I can remember my grandmother teaching me how to blow out eggs, making ornaments. I can't believe I've lived half my life now without her. But little things like this just bring her right back in, as if she's sitting across from me and telling me the stories of her youth and the stories of her own grandmother, the stories of her mother. And as an online teacher 3 years ago, I had to create the platform as I went. I was teaching 4 core subjects. And when the chicken babies arrived while I was in an online class, it's one of the most spectacular teaching days that I've ever had. The thrill of my students and sharing it with them over a computer. And these students are going on to high school this end of this year. And I'm making each of them a gift of our memories together. Makes me a little emotional. They were just a really great group of kids. I don't know that I'll do anything more to this egg, but it'll always live on as a reminder of the times we had and all that we learned together. Thank you for watching. Until next time.